Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your mobile environment so Android Studio can run reliably. Install a compatible Android Studio build or create a Linux container, termux/userl, and set up Java and SDK tools. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging on your phone and install platform tools via SDK Manager so a DB works. Make sure you allocate at least 2 GB of storage and close other apps to free RAM. This prevents build failures and speeds up emulator or deployment steps. You now create and configure the project to compile on mobile. Start a new project, pick a template and minimum SDK that matches your test device so builds succeed. Then open Gradle settings and bump the daemon memory limits. This reduces out-of-memory errors on constrained devices and enable offline mode if your connection is slow. Once Gradle sync completes, select your device or a lightweight x86 emulator image and run a clean build so dependencies download and the APK is produced without surprises. You finish by deploying and verifying the app on your mobile device. Use a db install R to push the APK or deploy directly from the environment, then watch logcat filtered to your package to catch exceptions and layout issues. If you need to debug, set breakpoints and step through code to inspect variables. If a build or install fails, clear Gradle caches, increase memory settings, and rerun with stacktrace so you can pinpoint the error. This tip resolves most mobile resource problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.